All right, y'all. So back with another daily vlog, and this vlog is interesting because I already came up with a title. So if you see by the title, this actually happened. So I'm gonna just pretty much jump right into it because I didn't think stuff like this would happen, and I've never seen it on YouTube. So I really feel like I should explain how this came about and everything like that. So yeah, so this actually happened. So how should I start? So as y'all know, I've been, doing the trucking for a while. I guess, at least a month and some change, right? So I was able to get it. So this is like a 2-week run type thing. So from point A, where the run started, to point B, where the run ended, was actually for a week, right? And like I said, that run was successful. But on the way back, the people that dispatch that I signed up with my company to help me do my successful run, flopped on me. There was a lot of going back and forth. Not with me, but with my driver, I should say. So the broker was trying to do some underhand stuff with my driver and was successful at it. So long story short, he pretty much stole my driver by telling him whatever he needed to tell him, and I guess I wasn't doing enough. But this is what, whenever that point went successful, my driver started denying my loads. That's pretty much what I'm trying to get to y'all. So I end up losing like 4 because my driver doesn't want to work for me no more because of whatever the information was spoken with my broker that's supposed to be working for me. You know what I mean? My dispatch. They work for me. They help me make money. You know what I mean? And he was feeding my driver some stuff. And so now he's going to be working for that broker. So I'm like, dang. I don't know if that's legal, because my reputation for my MC, my DOT, is being tarnished because loads are being denied because of the broker. You know what I mean? But the broker also is helping me find loads. So check out the shop in the description down below. Also check out my Instagram, check out all the social medias. Nah. So what happened?
So when I was playing this game when we were at school, and I won this car.
So she played the game at the school and she got a Panda Express reward. So we still celebrating her birthday wishes and stuff like that. So we finna get her some Panda Express. What you gonna snack on? What you gonna eat on?
Chicken little noodles
The noodles. Orange chicken. Come on this side. Oh, with that? A bowl?
That's eat.
Yeah, orange chicken.
Shrimps, noodles, orange chicken, and
You want shrimps, noodles, and orange chicken? So she wants chow mein, and then orange chicken.
And then this chow mein and orange chicken.
Chow mein and orange chicken,
And these shrimp.
and this honey walnut shrimp.
Honey walnut shrimp on the side.
Yeah.
These two is 25, okay?
Okay.
Another meal for your birthday.
Yeah, that'll be for it.
Anything else?
That's it. Oh, you want to see them do the card for you? Oh. I got it for you, okay? outside, you feel me, on another night vlog. You did. Running through the city. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Yeah, we finna, this is poppin'.
You do cash back here?
I don't have the ATM yet. I'm waiting for it.
Because I seen it right.
Shoot, almost got hit with that copyright. I had to turn off the camera real fast. I said I had to turn off the camera because we can't get hit with that copyright, you feel me?
Do it when I get down.
Well, I'm checking my truck right now. Yeah, I need to count on my straps.
We gotta start.
Oh yeah. So I'll let y'all in pretty much what's going on here in a second.
Video.
All the equipment still here.
Your sun visor.
This is his stuff in here.
Sun visor.
Okay, yeah. Keys is here. My EDL system, the camera. I'm gonna start it up.
13. Did you see the mileage?
13,
Get the mileage on there.
Yeah,
13.
got the mileage. 13,174 miles. I don't see anything wrong with it. Let me walk around the truck to see if there's any scrape cuts or anything like that. Slashes on tires and shit. Just to make sure. Huh? Oh yeah, let me turn it on. Yeah, pull it up. They didn't clean out the truck, that's for sure. Oh, man. Okay. So, back in the truck, y'all. Finna get this going right here. Hold on. Feel me? Get outside. Yeah.
It's a nice car. What do you
I had to get y'all looking all fresh and shit. Hold on. Let me get him. Go ahead. Snap it. Hit that motherfucker. God damn. That shit wild, bro. That shit wild. How y'all doing?
Me and my wife are about to visit him.
Gary. Yeah. Nice to meet you. How you doing?
You said what's your name?
Gary.
Lentz.
Nice to meet you, Lance. Yeah, my bad. Hey, I'm recording.
No. Just me and her. Okay. Yeah, just me and her.
Let's go a little run. I went down there.
Feel me?
I went, I rented a trailer to my old lady and the kids.
Yeah, so we got the matching him. What year is your Hemi?
It's 16.
16? Okay, we got the matching Hemis, black and white, you feel me? That's clean. It's clean. You feel me? Getting this good old content out here while we out and about, getting it up in the day. You feel me? Checking out some cool cars. You already know how I like the cars, you feel me? The Hemis is coming out right now. When Brody right here, when he had revved the engine earlier, that thing was loud for sure. So I'm actually liking it, I ain't gonna lie. You already know how I am. I like, the more foreigns, but the Hemis, You know what I mean? These Mopars, I ain't gonna lie, I rocks with them still too. You feel me? Black one. I'm gonna check it one more time, y'all. Get this good overview real quick. Feel me? I'm gonna get on this action table right now, y'all. Get the game going. Feel me? Okay, so funny story in that last scene. If you hear in the background, you hear a lady saying, "Wait, did you just mess up my game?" I didn't realize anyone was still playing, and I didn't ask around. And there's always a rule anytime you go into a bar to ask around before you touch the ball or mess with the game. I know this because I've been to a bar plenty of times, but this time I just abruptly messed up the game. And yeah, so it kind of escalated. Luckily, it wasn't like a motorcycle club or anything like that. Nah, that's just like stereotypic, but you get what I'm trying to say. But long story short, we cleared the situation and everything.
I say first.
That's it. We outside. Yeah. Y'all always doing like a snap, man. You vlogging. We vlogging. She thinking it's a picture.
I'm like 21 seconds. But yeah, we about to get this.
Yeah. Tonight is still young. Turn it up. It's her birthday tonight. Yeah. So we turn up for her birthday.
Okay, hold the phone.
The turn up is real. Feel me?
You want all together? That's a put.
Yeah.
And the plates.
Separate. You get this and I'm gonna get this because I split on.
What up is shoot, hold on. What is up, y'all? Back with another daily vlog. You already know what it is. We finna run it up today. We only post bangers every day. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am back in the truck today. I'm finna take y'all on a road trip today with me. So another, I guess, day of the life in the box truck. We are headed out to Pismo this morning. So I'm finna gas up. I gotta clean out the truck and we finna take off. So stay tuned. Finna get this action going. All right, since that's done now, gotta finish gassing this thing up real fast. So we finna go head over there to the gas station. So stay tuned, y'all. Finna put this thing in drive. All right, so we finna gas up the boat. Gonna get this day going, y'all. It's been a minute. I haven't been in the truck actually for like 2 weeks. So gonna get back into the groove. I think I got everything. Looking for some snacks. I got everything though. Good morning. Can I get 150 on the diesel?
Pardon me?
150 on pump 1 for diesel over here.
Pump 11.
Pump 1.
We don't have a 1.
Oh.
1 is over here.
Okay. Well then, yeah, 11
Yeah,
for the
you're
diesel.
on pump 11. I need
Okay.
that, and I need your ID. And you got a reward card?
I did, but
Go get your fuel and back when you're done.
okay. Thank you.
Do you need that also or just diesel?
Just diesel.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right, y'all. Gonna get this show on the road. Well, as soon as I'm done pumping. But yeah, we finna head out to Pismo. And then it's from like Pismo to San. All right. What I was saying, we're finna head out to Santa Clara because it's Pismo to oh yeah, I gotta set this. I almost forgot how to do the pump. Feel me? I gotta, from last time, like I said, it's been a minute since I've been in. little simple stuff you be forgetting so quickly. Pop that up like that. Get it going. Fill her up. But yeah, I'm actually looking for someone else too. I got someone else coming on this trip with me today. But yeah. Alright y'all, so we getting there probably about an hour or so, hour and a half out. Get y'all the scenery, the golf course. Feel me? I might go to that golf course one time. I haven't been over here. But yeah, y'all. Just a little check up with y'all. We're gonna get back at it again. Get you back on the road here in a second. Alright, y'all. So we just touched down in St. Louis in baseball. So we just coming into Pismo area. So I'm getting scenery for y'all, you know what I mean? Out here on this road. Not bad of a drive either, too. Not a lot of traffic either. It's pretty smooth. But yeah, y'all. Finna get some more footage for y'all. Depending on how it looks like when we get to the destination, see how much we can get. Oh, there's some new buildings right here coming up too. But yeah, so stay tuned. We have made it over here, y'all. At that beach. Feel me? All the big houses and stuff, y'all. Out here. Alright, so I had came inside and I gotta find the loading dock, so I'm gonna swing the truck around and take it to the loading dock real quick. But yeah, y'all, so finna get it going over here. Find the loading dock real quick. Oh. We gotta go back around. We just stopped, truck stop, you feel me? Gonna get some gas. And my legs, it was a little tired there for a minute. Had to give me a good little walk going on, for real. But we got some time still to go here. I think like another 2.5 hours, and we'll be at our first drop off. We got 2 drops on this, so we're about 2.5 hours away from our first drop, and then we're gonna be headed to our second one, so stay tuned. And there goes the money. This thing is yeah. And most I'd be spending on gas is on this. But I'm getting used to it, I'd probably say. But yeah, compared to a muscle car and shit like that, nah. This is ridiculous to me now. But hopefully I'll get used to it. I still be like, damn! Cause yeah, that shit be taking up hella gas, y'all. I ain't not gonna lie. But we are currently, shoot, what are we? I forgot what city we're in. But yeah, y'all, we're currently somewhere 2.5 hours. And almost. Another. Alright. Check it right now and see if that filled it up. Cause yeah. Let me see here. Need to go back. What? What? That's not full? That is... Bruh. Alright, I'm finna go back in and fill it up. Alright. I gotta figure this. God damn. I feel like I should be good, but no, I'm gonna fill it up. I had to figure this out. I didn't parallel park, but yeah, we almost got blocked in. But long story short, we ended up having to stay the night. I didn't film that part, so I ended up spending the night in the truck. But yeah, we finna do our drops. We still 2 hours in the morning. We're 2 hours away from the drop time. Like I said, we spent the night here, so we still 2 hours and 30 minutes actually till I can drop off a load and finish everything. We still got 2 drops, so we're at the first load. We gotta wait till 9:30, and then once 9:30 comes, we can go ahead to our second drop. So yeah, it was a long trip. Was not expecting the delay and us having to spend the night and shit, but it is what it is. So be safe, man. What hospital are you taking him to? Because
we don't know yet. We don't. Still.
I have to know because he's my driver.
Okay. Yeah, we'll let you know. We're not just gonna scoop and run. They got to do some evaluation and stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Wow, this is crazy. So yeah, he ended up falling off the truck trying to save a package, and looking like he broke his wrist. So we going. Yeah, man. Damn. You're all right, dog, big dog. All right, y'all. So, like I said, this trip did not go, as you see, went to shit. But we gonna put our best prayers, and we gonna get through this. So I still have another drop to do. I'm supposed to deliver this like 38 minutes away from here, but I feel like I'm gonna end up being late because I have to go to check him at the hospital, and then from the hospital I gotta head home type stuff because I gotta get him back to his family and kids and stuff like that. So yeah, this was a wild day. This was definitely a wild one, but end of the day, I hope everyone is safe. You know what I mean? I hope his wrist gets better. And yeah, it's not expecting this. This is wild right now, y'all. This is wild. That's all I gotta say. All right, y'all. So I am headed out of here. We gotta swing by the hospital Like I said, hopefully everything's okay. Hopefully he did not break it. But I couldn't tell. It looked like maybe dislocated or sprained. But x-rays will show everything, so we finna go head out right now and head his way and pick him up and see what's going on. I would say, the more I think about it, I did get some advice from the other owner that was at where I was at the drop, Bloom's Wholesale. The owner, he pretty much, he told me, hey, stuff like this does happen. It's something that you gotta, get used to. You feel me? So I appreciate the advice that I got from another entrepreneur, and seeing his site. You know what I mean? This is his company, with the plants and everything. So getting that information from him was helpful, because he's been through it too with certain things on his company. So we talked privately and stuff like that, but you know what I mean? I felt like it was very helpful, because this can get a little stressful sometimes. But yeah, because I don't want anyone to get injured. I don't want, I don't want that to happen to anybody. You know what I'm saying? So I always look out. So I look out for the safety. So I guess I gotta figure out some more safety trainings, or just go back to the drawing board and see how we could avoid injuries. Because that's why I said, like, it gets more deeper than it was when it was just you. You feel me? When you start adding people, now you got to start thinking about certain stuff that you wouldn't be thinking of. You know what I mean? So, So that's that. You know what I mean? And I got to deal with a lot of other paperwork because of this. So, yay! Just got off the phone, and I was told that he did break his arm. So I'm finna go inside, or he's actually finna come outside. But long story short, we finna just meet up pretty much, and yep. So that's what's going on, y'all. So he did break his arm. I wish that didn't happen. Like, all of it. How the load just went, just how everything just went in general. But it is what it is. I'm glad that he's okay. He's not in any pain where he can't heal back from. But it sucks. So we gonna. All right, y'all. So you feel me? This is the outcome. We wish the best for him. I hate that this happened. I can't. My emotions are just very up and down. I didn't want him to be injured at all, and how things just came out for this trip. But we're glad that he's in good hands and he's all right. So, long story short, this trip went to shit, and but we gonna get through it, and we gonna keep pushing. Yo, this hospital pretty cool though. They got the Xbox and the fish. Check this out, y'all. I'll play Xbox at the hospital. Give me a call for your local companion. All right, y'all. So we just slid out of CVS. We go pick up this drop off this last load, and slide back, cause the trip, it's just one of them ones. But let's get back to it. All right, y'all. We have made it to our last destination. Let me get this here over with. Get this drop down. All right. All right, so this is the rest of it. We're gonna loosen this some. Trying to do this with one. Yeah. There we go. I feel like take it all the way off. Ready to go. All right, they can have at it. Alright, there it goes. Let me get this one here set up. I had a hand pack earlier, so I had to pretty much restack and rewrap. You feel me? I got the stuff right there, so I had to restack this. Okay, this is the last of it, y'all. Oh, come on now. Try to do this with one hand. All right. They're pumping it up. Pump it up. Oh shit. Hold on. Pump it some more. There it goes. You dig? All right, that's it. Pallet jack strapped, and I'm out of here. Gonna eat some highway. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Once again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned, turn on your notification bells. Click that link down in the description section down below. Feel me? Check out the merch, check out all the product that we have on there, and get yourself a 30% off. You know what I mean? Get yourself some fly gear.